eWishHub Black Friday Extravaganza, Nordstrom style frenzy, fashion at your fingertips. Step into a world of elegance and luxury with Nordstrom's Black Friday deals on eWishHub. From runway-worthy fashion to must-have accessories, redefine your style this season. Grab exclusive discounts and elevate your wardrobe, because fashion waits for no sale. Ace Hardware, DIY delights, upgrade your space, transform your home sweet home with Ace Hardware's Black Friday treasures on eWishHub. Dive into a world of DIY delights with unbeatable deals on tools, decor, and everything in between. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, Ace Hardware has the keys to upgrade your space, all at your fingertips. Swarovski Sparkle Spectacular. Shine brighter than ever. Unwrap the magic of Swarovski this Black Friday on eWishHub. Elevate your style with dazzling crystals and timeless jewelry. From stunning accessories to elegant gifts, Swarovski's Sparkle Spectacular is your ticket to a season of brilliance. Don't miss out on the glittering deals. Make every moment shine. Seize the shopping thrill. Dive into the Black Friday magic on eWishHub with Nordstrom, Ace Hardware, and Swarovski. Unmissable deals, unmatched style, and unforgettable sparkle await.